Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Uber Eats account to an Uber driver account. So here's the thing. If you already have an Uber Eats account and now you want to start driving passengers, you'll need to go through the sign up process again, but don't worry, it's not a full restart. You basically just submit some extra documents to activate your driver profile. To make that switch, you'll have to contact Uber support. There's really no way around that. They usually reply within 2 to 24 hours, and sometimes they'll ask for more info about your car or documents. You can reach them either through the Uber Eats delivery app or by opening your browser and typing in Uber driver and delivery support. Just click on the official help page that shows up. Before you send your request, you might have to sign in. Just hit the sign in button on the top right and use your existing Uber Eats login details. Once you're inside, scroll until you find the section called Account and App. That's the one you need. Go ahead and click that. Then scroll a bit further and tap on I need to contact support. You'll be asked for your name and phone number. Make sure they match what's on your Uber account. In the message box, you can write something like, "Hi, I need assistance changing my Uber Eats delivery account to an Uber driver account." Keep it short and clear. After that, just hit submit. Uber usually reviews it within a day, but sometimes it can take a few extra days depending on your region. While they're processing your request, your account might be temporarily disabled. That's totally normal. Once everything's approved, your profile switches over and you can start accepting ride requests. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you switch from Uber Eats to Uber driver. Super easy once you know what to do. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more tutorials just like this one.